the number, Taiwanese number. Id, nang, sa, si, gu, lak, ched, pe, kao, chap. Chap i, chap ji, chap san, chap si, chap gu, chap lak, chap ched, chap pe, chap kao, ji chap ed, ji chap ji, ji chap san, ji chap si, ji chap gu, ji chap lak, ji chap ched, ji chap pe, ji chap kao, sa chap id, sa chap ji, sa chap san, sa chap si, sa chap gu, sa chap lak, sa chap ched, sa chap pe, sa chap kao, si chap id, si chap ji, si chap san, si chap si, si chap gu, si chap lak, si chap ched, si chap pe, si chap kao, gu chap. I ching, nang ching, sa ching, si ching, gu ching, lak ching, chi ching, pe ching, kao ching, jiban, nangban, saban, siban, guban. Flow, kamau, fever, fasaw, doctor, isin, nurse, husu, hospital, iyen. Be careful, xiaoxin, wait a minute, ting isha, or ting isha is Mandarin and the Taiwanese is tanjere, floor, tipan, wheat, susuda is Mandarin and the Taiwanese is tam-tam, television, tinsi, Taiwanese is tinsi, open, kai, close, kwan, pelo, chento, blanket, miente, park, kongyen, take a walk or take a stroll, sanpu, newspaper, potswa, or Taiwanese is potswa, and take a bath, sisaw. Taiwanese is sisingko, wash hair, sito, or sitaw mo. Wash hair, sitaw mo. Taiwanese is sitaw mo. And wash face, silien. The silien is a Mandarin, but the Taiwanese is sibin. The next one, toothbrush, swaya. Swaya is a Mandarin, but in the Taiwanese is si chui. Towel, maojin. Maojin is a Taiwanese. Soap, fei tao, soap. Do you want to take a bath? Ya po yao sisaw. Milk, nyunay, or Taiwanese is guding. Diaper, nyaupu. Help, pangmang. Take, na, come down. Shalai, go home. Wicha. Airplane, Fiji. Terminal 1, Ti Hangsha. Terminal 2, Ti Hangsha. Come slowly. Man lai. I don't know how to speak Chinese. This is Chinese, guys. Wopohe so chongwon. English is engwon. Next, upstairs, lauting. Downstairs, losha. Outside, guakaw. Inside, laite. Refrigerator, pingxiang. Electric fan, tinhong. These all are Taiwanese. Post office, yukyuk. Money, chen. What time? Kwitiam. I don't like wobo ai. I like wo ai. I love you, wo ai ni. I miss you, wo xiang ni. These are all Taiwanese lesson. No good, bohao. Good, how. Slowly, man or man lai. I can't understand. Wo tiabo. Wo tiabo is Taiwanese, but in the Mandarin is ting putong. Ting putong. I want to buy something. 我要买东西. I want to buy something. 我要买东西. Washing machine. C-E-G. Dress. 衣服. Wash. C. Living room. Cooking in the Taiwanese is pumpkin. Cooking is a Mandarin, but in the Taiwanese is pumpkin. Too much. Hanto. A little. 8 yen. And the Taiwanese is Jisua. Very good. How di hai. People or person. Ren. Mandarin is ren. Taiwan is lang. For example, too much ren or hantu lang, like this. Too much is hanto. Ren is Mandarin. Hantu, ren, too much people, too much person, or hantu lang. Taiwanese is lang. And then next, me, wo, you, ni, we, woman, they, tamen, grandmother, ama, grandfather, akong, miss, saoji, child, xiaohai, or gina. Gina is a Taiwanese. Boss, lauban, madam, tai tai. Do you have your mayo? Is it? 是不是? Thank you. Shishi or shishi ni. Thank you. Shishi. And you is ni. So, shishi ni. Shishi ni. Don't forget. Puya wangchi. Hurry. Quieten. Not yet. Hai mayo. Dancing. Tiawo. What are you doing now? 现在你用是什么? What are you doing now? 现在你用是什么? Na tayo. Good morning, Chao An. The Taiwanese is Gao Cha. Good night, Wan An. How are you? Ni hao ma? Or ni hao? I'm fine. Wo han hao. Tomorrow. Chutian, but in the Taiwanese is Masai. Today, Chentian, but the Taiwanese is Kinajid. Yesterday, Chang. Next day, Hotien. Clock, Piwa. Piwa is the Taiwanese. Come, lie. I don't want. 我不要. I am beautiful. 我好漂亮. I am beautiful. 我好漂亮. Monday, Lipai E or Lipai Ed in the Taiwanese. Tuesday, Lipai Mandarin Lipai but in the Taiwanese is Lipai G. Wednesday, Lipai San. Thursday, Lipai C or Taiwanese Lipai Su. Friday, Lipai O and the Taiwanese is Lipai Gu. Saturday, Lipai Lak. Lipai Liu in the Mandarin, but in the Taiwanese is Lipai Lak. Sunday is Lipai Tien. Or 1 week na, so tinatawag lang Aw Lipay. Hall is Aw Lipay.